Hey, it's T. Today we're heading out on an adventure to Palo Duro Canyon State Park, also known as the Grand Canyon of Texas. We'll be exploring stunning red rock formations, winding trails, and breathtaking views. Whether you're into hiking, photography, or just soaking up nature, Palo Duro has something for everyone. So lace up your boots, grab some water, and let's hit the trail together to see what makes Palo Duro Canyon so unforgettable. Palo Duro Canyon State Park is located in the Texas Panhandle, approximately 25 miles southeast of Amarillo. The park is the second largest canyon in the United States, stretching about 120 miles long to 20 miles wide and around 800 to 1,000 feet deep. It features over 30 trails for hiking, biking, and horseback riding. For travelers who wish to stay overnight, accommodations include water and electric campsites, primitive tent sites, backcountry style campsites that are accessible by hiking only, equestrian sites for campers with horses, as well as cabins and glamping structures. So whether you're seeking a day trip or an overnight stay, Palo Duro is a must-see destination in Texas. We are beginning our adventure on the Scenic Sunflower Trail, a 1.1 mile out and back route that winds along the canyon floor. This short and easy path offers gentle terrain with minimal elevation change, making it ideal for families and casual hikers. Its smooth, hard-packed surface ensures a comfortable walk, while connections to several nearby trails provide opportunities to extend the journey for those looking to explore more of Palo Duro Canyon's beauty. This is prickly pear cactus. Yeah. Well, this was another trail that we were hoping to hike today, but it's blocked off, so that's not going to happen, I guess.
Oh, fair.
So I guess we'll just continue on the Sunflower Trail. Okay.
There you go. If you were parched, you could get down there and splash some water in your throat.
Okay. Oh.
Another berry tree without having any berries.
Look at these berries. I wonder what kind of tree. Well, wait a minute. Juniper? That makes sense.
Roadrunner.
Yeah. Look at the Roadrunner. Let's see. Get closer. This is not bothered by our presence at all. Oh, look, here's the river. Look at that.
You gonna fix your shoe?
It's really sandy. Oh, so I don't think I'm gonna walk down it. It's also off the path, so you can hear it. Not quite a slot canyon, but something fun to play on.
I hope this ain't a river. They just ain't along the river.
Look at the swirls.
How it's like a storm tractor almost.
Yeah. Okay.
This is an example of weathering. It's an example of weathering. The water gets into the rocks, freezes, and makes cracks in them, and eventually the rocks fall apart.
That is true. That's weathering. Yep.
Yeah, look here.
And there's more layers, so yeah, it's whatever it is, then got compressed.
Right. All right, we are at the end of this trail, it looks like. Let's see, we've had to dodge about 5 bicyclists.
That's a different trail.
Okay, so this is one that we wanted to do right here. We wanted to hike this trail, husband. These trails have sunscreen on them to protect yourself on sunny days, and it's free.
Are you ready, Pete?
Okay, so we're taking a quick break to have some water and snacks before we set out on the next trail, which is going to be the Rojo Grande Trail. We're on the Big Red Trail. Oh, goodness. Out of the way, out of the way. You're good. All right. There's a biking event on the trail today. Oh, no problem. We get to share the trail. All right, this is a bit of an incline. Blue skies, nice breeze, and it looks like there's something over here to look at without going off trail. Wait a minute. All right. Another one. There are lots of campgrounds here at this park. I'm not sure which one we're looking at right now from the Rojo Grande Trail, but there is one right over here. As you can see, it's a tent campsite. I'm not sure if RVs are allowed there, but this is the view that they wake up to in the morning. Right at this point on the trail, we are descending now. It's quite a bit rocky, but I don't think it's not too difficult to get through this. Not at all. Again, there's the nice view that we get here. I am in my happy place out here hiking. Okay, this is a little steep. The sand color changes again right here. Right, here's the trading post. We're going to go inside. There is a gift shop and there's a small restaurant. They have seating inside. I don't think there's a restroom in here, however. Right, they have lots of t-shirts to choose from in here. They even have a hat section. Another wall of t-shirts. These are cold weather hats. Oh, with a nice coat. Huh. course, we picked up another magnet for the refrigerator.
They got lots of
Oh, look at that. I wonder if that is open to the public, that filling station right there. Let's go see. You can get some propane here if you're staying here at one of the campsites. We have diesel and unleaded. Does this thing even work? Or is this really just a relic? It's hard to tell. I am so curious. There's a sign down here that says glamping. So I am I am gonna go find out what this is all about. I'm sure I can find out on the website too, but let's see if there are any clues as to what this glamping is all about. I don't think this is definitely not a trail, but let's see. Glamping. All right. Oh, there are structures down here. Okay. So I'm not going to go all the way down here because I feel like this is an area where people have rented some glamping facilities or some glamping sites, and I don't want to invade their privacy, so I'm just going to leave it at that. But I can zoom in a little bit so that you can see that there are some massive tent-like structures, and I'm going to leave it at that. Okay, so we're at a scenic overlook here. Isn't this beautiful? Down into the canyon there. Let me zoom in a little bit over here. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Until the next time, stay blessed.
Bye.